Ọhaneze Igbo mụrụ nze mmụọ ekenekwa m nna asị dị na onye anyị dị ile ozi asị na onye anyị dị ile ozi mere gịnị dị. O nwere write-up na afọ na screen chere onwe m chọrọ ịgụpụtara unu mara mgbe gara aga na Cubana Chief Priest nke eji Pascal wee mara ọ bịa dee vidio dee meseji because mgbe ahụ egbuchara ndị Igbo na Jos ọ pụtasị na-emere that in order to sabotage Tinubu's birthday celebration. Mgbe na-ajụzi biko n'udo ndị bai ndị Igbo, what has it got to do with the Tinubu celebration? Kekwana ka ngwalụ na that in order mgbe ahụ unu wee solomo wee nọlụ so that na ngụbazi ihe ọzọ ka unu dasị na mee mistake nene na anyị na screen unu ka unu nọ ihe ọ dị. Ọ sịrị, and I read, in the past few days the video of that woman and her child can't get out of my head. At least I am okay now. Only sympathize with the masses. When will this killing stop? How do people desire happiness in buying one another? Mana ka ifozaka ihe mmadụ yesi wee kwuo ofu ihe o wee dala ihe niile ahụ onye ahụ kwuo sabotage. Kezante kenano. Or say when will this ever stop? The governor in Jos pulled up in a bunker. Does it mean everyone should now pull up in a bunkers? Because he is scared more than the people. To lead a state, you have to be fearless. You have to have the ability to lay your life for the people. Regarding to him, when the mother na go this part, everybody's okay. And one night, okay, I do like hakakwele with I. Always, I feel for everyone in Jos. This was clearly done to embarrass our president on his birthday. This is also this line. Check any no delumba, any no ku. Or what he handed mother pick is also this short line. Kefu kam mari jeji walakia sabotage onwe hini no mewe. His legacy oyijakia walakia we megini maybe on his own. Always, security agencies should brace up to the attacks, allowing this kind of embarrassment on your principal is embarrassing. I pray God give President Tinubu the energy to select people capable to lead with him. May the soul of the faithful departed through the mercy of God rest in peace. So, Oburo is also now. Another asika the mother win no election. So you want to appointment. So does it mean that now? Is it all about appointment?
Breaking news. 24 hours after President Bola Ahmed Tinubu visited Plateau State for his 10-minute visit to the victim of terrorist attack and told them that they should not worry, they are now safe, that the attack will never repeat again. 24 hours after that promise, terrorists have struck again, killing several people. Some are wounded and now in the hospital, and some are still missing. Just 24 hours. 24 hours. Anybody that is still believing what this government of APC is saying today will have himself to be blamed. If the government of APC tells you to go about your business, that everything are returning to normalcy, the government is working on it, doing investigation, please run for your dear life. Do not take them serious. It was obvious from his visit that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a colossal failure from his visit, because he visited victims of terrorist attack only 10 minutes and told them that he had 10 minutes. First of all, he was too afraid to even visit them. The community where these attacks held, he was too afraid. He had to meet them at the airport. And when he met them at the airport, the 10 minutes he gave them, he spent it telling them that he cannot spend more than that because there's no light. There's no electricity. This is the same electricity that Bola Ahmed Tinubu was elected to fix, and he confessed with his mouth and told that he should be voted out if he fails to provide electricity. And earlier, the governor of the state came to visit those people with armor tank. So I blame anybody that takes this guy serious. Somebody that came with armor tank, your governor, and you are believing what they are telling you, that you are safe now. The government of APC is a colossal failure. Security have collapsed in Nigeria. The only security that is working now is the oppression of the poor masses. Oppression and intimidation of the poor masses. The indiscriminate arrest of innocent citizens. That is the only security that is working in Nigeria. But the real security, which is security of lives and property, it has collapsed. The APC have lost direction. There is no governance in Nigeria. There is no governance. Even as we are talking, yesterday again, Nasarawa State was attacked. As we are talking, there are reports of another attack. If you go to Kwara State, some community has been deserted. People have run away from their community because of insecurity. Yet, we have somebody in Asoro claiming to be the government, the president of the country. The problem with Bola Ahmed Tinubu is that he rigged himself to power. And from that day, he has never gained legitimacy. And every day, he's trying to gain legitimacy.
Because even now, this is everything in anime is all about appointment. You know, just don't is it all about appointment? I don't want to be there, so one day I'm okay with that day in Hozo, Cabos in Codes, Lozone Soku. Gazan to me back and go alone in here. One day I'm okay, I do lose because in the question, no one or dick when I do lose. Or was the leg I was so, or not it as Namadi do lose. Because na na-ekwu like this, ụfọdụ na-efeel no just ka ewee kofuo akụkọ mana gee na ntị ka unu n'ihe nwanne anyị nwoke Chief Priest nke ikpeazụ ya. Ọ sị all of us are supporting Asiwaju. If na lie, make him follow Peter Obi go ADC. Kedu onye na-adresị Alex Otti. So out of ihe niile na Alex Otti na-eme na Abia State, our brother Afurro to deem it fit. My brother Alex Otti na agbanekwanụ. Thank you for hearing a million but we pray you do more. We pray you do more. This is somebody who has, in my own opinion, I believe in Chief Priest has the intention of contesting for Imo State governorship election. In my own opinion, I believe in that now. On our own intention, a contest for governorship election in the Imo State. So in all of these things in Amazon now, kezi ihu yeji we gwa ndị bụ no si ha na nke anụnwa so na nke yesoro. Kezi ihu yeji si ndị bụ no na nke aso mana nke yesoro. Because ọ kakwa mma na onye fu nke bụ eziokwu si kwuo ya ma kwuluo ya n'isi. Ijoso no igbaka aka ọnụ dedi agụchabeghị m obiko nu ya nwande agụchabeghị m. O wee sị all the things where Alex Otti they do for Abia na Asiwaju they supply am with the funds. O see any Alex Otti na Asiwaju na supply with the fund. Then what stop other states ime ha and supply here go ka ha we eme. Places like Imo State, your state, places like Plateau to tackle security na akwogo. Muna gina bụ mana ọkụ adịrọ na Nigeria now. Ọkụ adịrọ 2024 ka asịla na ebitele ego ka wee kele ego iji n'ụgwọ ọkụ. 2026 aka na ebikwa ego ekele ego agwụ n'ụgwọ ọkụ. Kedu who is now following who? The same amount of money akwụ 2024 ka akwụ 2025 ka akwụ 2026 kezi onye na-eli ego ahụ. If no Bola na supply ego, kudos to him because he is accountable and he is willing to carry his people along. Big up to him. Okutelia, ometelia. Ona alota nke enyere ya. Kezi ihe me other state governors anara eji ego Bola na supply ha alụ wee na-eme ihe kwesịrị ịlụ. That is the question you answer. So in all of this thing it doesn't sound wise. It sounds as if you are doing it in order to please somebody. I believe there are some things we shouldn't be doing. Yeah, one night okay with Pascal. There are some things we shouldn't be doing. Chief Cubana Chief Priest somebody many youth may look up to because now I know on social media I have to go kiss to help a lot of youths. I have to go kiss to T-Hana map. I have to go kiss to Kwadon the youth. Mana kezebe nkano wasi na nkibazwa kedebe okwu nkano wasi. In this era kezebe okwu nkano wasi. The youth bụ onye ndị kwesị pụta ị na-carry her along. People are happy n'enu ya. Mgbe ọbụla ịtụ na-esi na-ehele gị money na water. Even mgbe winchi ha si kedafa winchi Kenya abịa bịa na-ekwu, a lot of people stood by you. A lot of people stood by you. Man, there are some things why I would like this. It's better for you to just keep quiet. At the end of the day, I will say such an amazing governor representing presidency well with your doings. Respect Asiwaju. As you dey hail Otti, no forget to hail Asiwaju. We put them on. So in Achigwa, I see the hail Otimoku, the hail Asiwaju too. So what happens to that woman reject your election malpractice just to make sure Alex Otti bata in power? Kezi here you made woman so far. Because ako eke no onye nyolo nsi, kike na kwa no onye nyolo ahụ. When I work about Pascal, this is your message, Adabara. Hoha. The Igbo suffer go too much to come and be taking this type of humiliation. For you to say equal Alex Otti this thing, onwe God. Why not you address the Lagos State governor like this? Can you address them like this? You cannot address Lagos State governor like this. You cannot address Jigawa State governor like this. You cannot address Kwankwaso like this. Adorama. Yeah? Ali Adorama. Oha. So I go on why this statement in a put up. Odabaro. Sometimes learn to check out on go no ba name. Koda bona dendo with umuazi. Kwesidi look up to you. Iya popta from street. Abolozianda ya someone courage we balia gechi. Because of political ambition. Kizuhi yeju pata say how we stand for the youth tomorrow ka hakwe agent. Kode kwa mboza ndeba ikucha kwanu.